Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have FOMC release, and with all of that, Bitcoin managed to have a green candlestick in the daily frame. What does this mean? Does this mean that we are going to get a nice pump or not? Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You will get the best out of the crypto market trading system with over 90% win ratio. Join us and you won't regret it. You can find the links in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start with Bitcoin. 23,000 Tether USD right here. You can see that we are holding this level. We are not crashing for now, at least. We are not having a huge correction. We were expecting, to be honest with you, a nice correction in the daily frame. Okay, we had a -4%. I was expecting that Bitcoin would be able to go to the 22K by yesterday, but this did not happen. Bitcoin managed to be very strong, right? And it still is. However, in the lower time frames, we are seeing some kind of weakness that we are going to discuss about. For now, for the time being, we are holding the 20-day EMA, the 50-day exponential moving average. You can see that we are going into a squeeze point right here. Once these lines approach each other, this is a squeeze point. We are going to see a huge volume, but with FOMC, I anticipate, to be honest with you, good news instead of bad news. This will affect the market short-term wise, okay? Because I think that in general, Bitcoin is transitioning into a bullish cycle. As we talked about, Bitcoin will be going into a bullish cycle with steadily but slowly we are getting there. And trust me on that, we found the bottom of the 16.2K. The real bottom was the 17.7K, but of course the Feds like to play sometimes and they push the price towards the downside so you can sell and they can gain, right? They can buy what you sell. But at the end of the day, what we are having for Bitcoin is a nice pump. Now, 23K, we are having the 23,000 Tether USD. This could mean the case that if we have good news right here, we are going to pump more, which eventually will bring a good pump in the market and an unexpected pump with the risk that we are having. If we are having bad news though, we are going to fall down very quickly into the 22K. All right, this is my assumption. But the fact that we are going to have good news is just an assumption. I do not know what is going to happen. If you know, then you're lucky enough to get to buy or to short at the time that you are going to make huge profits. But for me personally, I do not know, and the things right here look like it is going to go to have some good news, and in the very short term we are going to have pump. But always remember that sometimes they like to play with the news. We have a fake pump and then a dump, a very quick dump, right? It could happen, it could be the case. Right now, if I were to actually say what BTC is going to do without including the FOMC, okay, I would say that Bitcoin is going to go down, okay? If I do not include the FOMC today, I am going to say that Bitcoin is going to go down because eventually in the 4-hour frame, we find a little bit of a resistance level, and the fact that we are standing here right now, it doesn't look good. If Bitcoin was to go up, it should be doing something like this. The bad thing about short positions, I mean, not long, if you're in a long position, you have to hope about that. It is the weekly scale. Now, the weekly scale does not look bearish. For me personally, this candlestick right here, the plus 5%, the fact that we hold so good until Sunday, and we saw the correction on Monday, right? Monday, 30 January instead of Sunday. This was something good. A fake out in the daily frame, but at the same time, we managed to hold a very nice green weekly candlestick that maybe is the sign of telling us, oh, we are going to have another push to the upwards. But anyway, the more chances are for Bitcoin to have a correction going on, right? To follow this bearish engulfing pattern and to have a correction towards the downside and towards the targets that we mentioned, 21.6K and 20K. Now, for altcoins, this is going to be problematic, all right, because eventually now they are into an overbought situation as well. And if Bitcoin corrects, they will correct more. Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is going to correct more, so they are going to follow the Ethereum trend. Most of the altcoins do that, okay? Healthy altcoins or altcoins that are built in the Ethereum blockchain, of course. Apart from them, though, altcoins that are not built in the Ethereum blockchain follow the Ethereum trend, okay? Ethereum is the second altcoin you need to watch before Bitcoin, actually, which is not an altcoin, but Ethereum is the first altcoin, actually, you need to watch, okay, for the other altcoins as well. So you watch Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then the other altcoins, all right? So therefore, for BTC, it looks like it's going to go down. We wait for the FOMC. I might have another update by the time we get the news, right? I expect good news, but you never know. You never know what's going to happen. Do not trade until then. I do not know the exact time. Maybe it is around 1 p.m. UTC. I do not know. I do not remember 2, 3, around there. But anyway, yeah, just be careful for now. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.